Hello, my name is Danny Weckstein. I work for Niagara Bottling. I also graduated from The Ohio State University, Department of Chemical Engineering in 2013, and found Niagara Bottling from the Career Fair. I'm here to talk to you today about how you can also find success at the Career Fair. What I recommend to you is do research before you go to the Career Fair about the companies and type of role that you're interested in. It'll save a lot of time during the discussions. Next is when you're meeting with a career fair, don't just talk to your resume, be a real person. I'm much more interested about how you fit into our culture than I am about your technical experience. As an engineering student, you probably have similar experience in co-ops and jobs to other students, and so it's really important that you distinguish yourself by being a cultural fit and being relaxed. Finally, once you get done talking to your recruiter, get their contact information. Make sure you apply online if you've been asked to within 24 hours and send them a thank you email. It helps set you apart from other students, and if you ask a couple questions, it also shows your interest. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you at the career fair.